Hello everyone. So in the previous video we had made a profile in the liveworksheets.com. Now let us see how to upload a worksheet. See here worksheets. Here see here my dashboard. Click on it. Then go to my worksheets. Click on it. Here go to add worksheet. Click on it. Create a worksheet. So the worksheet that we are going to create here it is already on the image and we are just going to put in the element. So for example, add media. Okay, this was some pre-selected image. So if you have not selected this, how are we going to do it? Go to choose file. Here, open. So that was a chosen file that just got removed. Here we have chosen this. We can remove it by clicking on it if we want to, if we have by chance selected a wrong image. So I want this. So we save this. This is the first image. Okay, and then insert selected. See, the image that we will choose will appear here. Describe the worksheet content. What is it about? Identifying arrays and line segments. Here, summary we can put any if we want to. So I have put children can check their understanding of arrays and line segment through this worksheet. Select language, English. See English, click on it. Subject, math. Make sure that you are clicking on some of this one, not any other. Otherwise it will show that the subject is not there. Main content, arrays and line segments. Other contents, not yet, there is none. Or you can put what is going to come after that. Arrays and line segments after that, whatever we want to put in, we can put. So this is for demo purpose, I'm not putting anything. For even if you want to, for example, arrays, line segments, then we can put lines and angles, whatever will be coming or anything. So level, that is the grade of the child. For example, this is for grade 6, say. Let us say 6. You want to download as a PDF? Yes, I want to. If you don't want to, you can click on no. From age, which age is it for? Let us say 10 to 12. Okay, you want to make it private or you want to keep it public? Public means everyone will be able to see it. So if there is any image that you have taken from outside, then you can make it private and no one will be able to see it. But if you make it public and you had taken an image from someone else, then the account will be cancelled. All the work of yours and the students will be lost. And here we can save up to 30 private worksheets. So here save and edit elements. We click on save and edit elements. So again we are done the first one, we come to the second one, edit element. So this is what we are going to do. So see, make sure that you're taking care that this live worksheet is not coming on that and the image is in such a way. Right now I want to textify it. I want the child to be able to add text into it. So I want this text field, click on it. So I click here. What should be here? So I click on text field click here, bring it here. So what is this? This is a ray. So we click here on this pencil. So we put ray, and we can do the style settings as well. For example, the font color that will appear, if I make it suppose pink, background color, let us say this light pinkish, border color, let us say this orange, just to show. And if we can choose the font here, let us say crafty girls. Let us see what it will be. Let us save, and yes, again the text field. Here we can do the drop element. Select, ray, line, line segment.
Click on the right answer and we save it.
We saved it. Like so, we can add on any and all, and after that we save, and okay, we have saved this. Now
Click save and view.
and then we go to here. We can see here our new worksheet is prepared. So just finish it. Check my answers. Email my answers to my teacher. Check my answers.
See, I had not filled in any answers, so it will rate itself. We just have to fill in the answers. You can see 0 out of 10 because we had not filled in anything. It was automatic.
So, all right, let us go to my dashboard. Sheets. Here you can see the worksheet here. So that is how we can create a worksheet. So click on it. So our worksheet is ready.
I hope that helped. Thank you so much for watching.